So guys, this is the Walmart now, the sale in Walmart right now. So the TV is 55 is 218. Look at that. See, that's the sale price. This is, I think, the extension for the 4th of July sale. Look at that. And this is 75. Look at that. This Vicious 598. See, it's 598, guys. And there's a smaller one, the 198. This is TCL. I think this is the S4 series. Look at those. See? And for the school supply, I want me to show you the school supply here. It's already, no, but this one first. So 97, the single main door bridge. Look at that. So 14 for the mirror. Before 17, now it's 14.92. And 13 for this pillow. 13 point. So this is the pillow, guys. It's soft. It's good. Very soft. See? So 14 for this fridge. And what else we got here? There's a 14 also for this. I don't know what is this. And this is the bowl, 16.96. Soccer. So grunge flaps is 14.87. 39.97. This is a toys. And all around is 9.58. See, they have also a sleeper 15 rug shark in 9.98. See, you can pause the video if you like. And this the toys also clearance. Maybe in that price tag is in here. Nothing rice. So this Monopoly 19 and 12.87. Look at that. And 24. And this is a Coleman's 48 inches. So the prices are in the top. I think this is 448. See? This is 448. So these are the clearances for time. In here, they have here 5.78, 29.97, 3.88. First aid kit 18.88. And Clarity 19.97. And 6.97 is Triple Moisture. Oh, this one is good for summer. $17 na lang. Cooler. See? And 17.70. Oh, 2 times original. And this is for the charcoal. And 5.96 days. Lighter fluid. Guys, 34, 5, 25. See, there's a lot of this. 25. Igloo. 35 cents for some for school coming. See, look at that. Before 97, now it's 35 cents, guys. 4.47. This is Expo. 4.47. 50 cents. Before 168. Look at that. And this 38 cents before 97 cents. So guys, what you are waiting for? School supplies. 8.98. Hello Kitty underwear 14. This is the big one. See? Socks 6.97. 15 champions. So this is the blue one, assorted, 50 cents. It's a lot. Pens, everything here. So this is this left side in Walmart sale. And what else do we got here? I think I'm going to show you the dress. This is the uniform right now. Yeah, this is the uniform for the school. 4.98, guys. Look at that, 4.98. And 9.78 is assorted for the school. Before 9, now it's 7. I think this is the best time now to buy this school uniform. Look at that. There's also there. And this one. Look at that. School uniform available right now. Sale price. And this one. This is 7.98, 9.98. The white one. So we're going to this area. So this one is 5.96. These plates. Oh, Bounty now 27. Now 24.88. It's a big one. 3.48. This napkins. 87.7 cents. It's baking powder, and this is for kitchen utensil. You need to clean those. 1.4, 134. Noodles, 180 noodles now. 1.47. 84 cents, guys. The kids love this. It's 84 cents. Oreo 4.97. Oh, the rice also sale 11.46. Look at that. Jasmine. I don't know how much is jasmine. 23. Jasmine rice is 23. It's sale, guys. You know, in seafoods, how much is this? It's expensive. It's 30 plus. Here 23. 4.68 here. I think I'm gonna get this one. I'm gonna get this. Oh, it's heavy later. I don't have a push cart right now. So there's a lot of stock, so it's okay. 4.68. 50 cents. So this is the, you can see the, now they put the hallway. This is the sale clearance price, as you can see in Walmart. So it's a rollback price from $2.97 to $2.50. Pepsi 30 now is $9.97. Also the Coca-Cola there, it's 10. 48. 21.98. 6.98. See, guys, it's a good price even in this drink. Watermelon. What you're waiting for? I think that's all, guys. I show you everything in hallway, the clearance sale. Okay, I think that's all for now in Walmart.